Good evening everyone. My name is Ms. Tanisha Ranjit Diwan, student of KK Bhatt, ACS and CS College, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. Today I am here to speak on the given topic, that is Mr. Sharad Pawar and his social work. Friends, Mr. Sharad Govind Rao Pawar was born on 12th December 1940. He is an Indian politician from Baramati, Maharashtra. With over 50 years of his career, he has served as Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Agricultural Minister and Defence Minister too. With his prominence, he holds the prominence in the politics of India and regional politics of Maharashtra as well. Friends, every one of us know that he is a good politician, but he is also a good social reformer because he have worked for the development of our country in every aspects. When terror attack in Mumbai happened at that time, just after the terror attack, he was the one who came to Mumbai and got the city back to normal within 2 days with his administration skills. Other than this, he also got started the Bombay Stock Exchange in order to avoid the economic and the financial loss to the city, to the country. He also started the Mumbai local trains and provided the best buses so that people can develop a confidence within them in the minds of Mumbaikars. Other than this, back in olden days, back in few decades when women's were not given that importance into the society, when women's thoughts were not given much importance at that time, Sharad Pawar sir was the one who came forward and who put the idea of women empowerment into our country and brought the first policy for women in our country, which includes the reservation, which gave the reservation for the politics, Indian for defense services and also the institutions to women's. Other than this, Sharad Pawar sir has worked a lot for agricultural development, for the welfare of farmers. He also gave his support and contribution to the disaster management community, to the committee, and he was elected as the vice president of disaster management committee. Other than this, to resolve the problem of unemployment in our country, he have provided jobs to skilled and unskilled both the workers in our country. Today, in this digital world where people are engrossed with the digital technologies, to upgrade, to update, and to upbring Maharashtra into the IT sectors, Sharad Pawar sir has worked immensely and hard to bring Pune as the first IT hub of our country. Other than this, I can say being a sports player, he has also supported the sports organization and association of our country, and I was the one who got helped by Sharad Pawar sir. So I am really blessed to. I am really blessed to have him, one such great personality into our country, who is always ready to help out the youth of this country. For the sports, he was the chairperson of BCCI and vice president of ICC. Other than this, he have also helped at the sports association of cricket, kabaddi, Olympics, and many other things. I can also say that helping out the farmers and working for the animal husbandry and dairy sectors to make the second income source for the farming community, Sharad Pawar sir has worked very properly, very gratefully. Other than this, I would like to say for all the work that he did for our country, he was awarded by and honored by the Padma Vibhushan, which is the second highest civilian award for India. And I feel I am very lucky to have one such person in our life. Thank you so much.